Good morning everyone. My name is Gagandeep Kaur. Today we are going to start with a new chapter which is more on Python. As we have learned in the previous video how the operators are used to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Now, operators are the symbols that perform arithmetic and logical operations on the operand and provide a meaningful result to that. An operator needs one or more operand to perform any operation. The valid combination of both operand and operator make an expression which returns a computed result. So we have variety of operators in Python. So arithmetic operator, string operator, assignment operator, relational operator and logical boolean operators are the type of operators. So let's start with the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are used to perform the basic mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we have two types of arithmetic operators. One are unary operator and second are binary operators. So unary operators are when we are having only one operand, like A is equal to 100 is a one operand. Then B is equal to minus 100, it is also a single operand. The next is binary operator. These operators operate on two operands like A plus B, in which A and B are the operand and plus is the operator. So I will show you some basic calculations here, like 85 plus 63, this is addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then comes the division, then we have floor division. Now there is a difference between division and floor division. So in division, the output can come in the decimal form. Here you can see the answer has come in the decimal form. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3.0. But in the floor division, this decimal is not included in the output. For example, when you divide 9 by 2, the answer becomes 4.5. But when we do the floor division, the answer will become 4 only. It will ignore the decimal part of the answer. Then is the remainder. It shows the remainder if there is any, like this. When you divide 9 by 2, the remainder is 1. The last is the exponent. It is used to calculate the power of the numbers. So if I write 3 exponent 3, the answer will become 27. That means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So these are the arithmetic operators. Now let's talk about the string operators. While working with the string values, you may have to perform some operations on them. So Python allows only two kinds of operations. The first is concatenation and the second is replication. Concatenation is when you are joining two strings. So if I write here A is equal to hello and then B is equal to then another value like Python, then I print A plus B, so it will join both of the strings. The first string was hello and second string was Python. When I concatenated them using the plus sign, it has combined both of the strings. So now the answer becomes hello Python. Similarly, we use replication to print multiple values. Like if I write print then hello and multiply it with the number of time I want it to be printed, like 5, then closing my bracket, you can see hello has been printed 5 times. So this is how the string operators work. The next is assignment operator. We have already talked about this assignment operator in the previous chapter. Assignment operator is used to assign the value of an expression to the variable. So it assigns the value on its right side to the variable written on the left side. So here we can see, if I write here b is equal to 10 multiply 3, this is our assignment operator. I am assigning 10 multiply 3 value to the b. So if I write b and press enter, you can see the answer will become 30. This is how the assignment operator works. Let's take one more example. Like if I write here a is equal to 10, then b is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b. I press enter, I write c and then I press enter, you can see the answer becomes 30, as 10 plus 20 is 30. This is how we assign values. Next is relational operator. Relational operators are used to show the relationship between the operand. These operators compare the values of the variables and determine the result in the Boolean expression. That is either yes or no, true or false. Python provides 6 types of relational operators, that is less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, and I write a greater than b, the answer becomes false, as you know that 5 is not greater than 6. So this is how the Boolean works. Logical and Boolean operators. The logical or the Boolean operator evaluates to one of the two states, either true or false. That means either the both of the conditions should be true, either one of them should be true, or the condition should be false. We use these operators in Python to make comparisons. Let's take an example for this. So if I write a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, and give a condition if a greater than 0 and b greater than 0, print condition is true. Save it. Let's run this program. You can see it has printed the condition is true. The reason is the both of the condition given here are true. A is greater than 0 because the value of a is 10, and b is greater than 0 because the value is greater than 10. Now if I write here instead of 10 I write minus 10, it will not print anything. You can see nothing is printed here. The reason is I haven't given the else part. So if you wish, you can give the else part here. So you can see I have written it here that else the condition is false. So if I run this program now, you can see here the answer becomes the condition is false. These were the operators used in Python. Please do all the programs till program number 8. Thank you.